What is up, my beauty maniacs? It's your girl, Bella Royal, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Okay, so bit disclaimer, it is hot in my room. I had to literally close the door because my niece and I were hanging out and then she left, so I was like, okay, let me do some work real quick. And I am also wearing sweatpants. Why am I wearing sweatpants? I don't know. I really don't know, but that was my knee, if you could hear that. I really don't know why I'm wearing sweatpants, but I am. Like an idiot. But as you know the title of this video, we are going to do an AM skincare routine. It's my AM skincare routine, but it's more like mid-afternoon right now. So, if you hear barking or moaning or licking, my dogs are in the back. Yeah. So not only do you have the fans, but you also might have dogs in the back. But anyway, we are going to get down to today's video. But before we continue, do not forget, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified every single time that you upload a video. That I upload a video, not you. Maybe you upload a video, I don't know. But let's get started. I took a shower and I washed my face. Girl, I had to I was dirty. Cleanser that I use is the Reposage Beauty from the Sea T-Zone Balance. Let me tell you a little something. It's for cleansing the complexion and it's for combination skin. Let me tell you a little bit of something about this cleanser. The reason why I'm using it right now is because, one, it's the only regular cleanser that I have at the moment. It's not bad, but it's literally your most basic CeraVe cleanser you'll ever get with the fancy label on it. The only way you can get it is through your esthetician, or through your esthetician. Double cleanse with that. Yeah, literally I double cleanse with this. It's so nice on the skin. If you feel squeaky clean but not stripped, which is really nice. So yeah. Anyway, I dried myself off as well, and I do use these biodegradable, they're premium cotton tissues. They're $5.99 on fucking Amazon. They're called Mseos. Girl, this bad boy right here. And I know the lighting sucks right now, but I have yellow light bulbs here, and the way that my bathroom is set up, I don't have anywhere to put an actual ring light or anything, so I do apologize, but you get what you get. Okay, so I'm gonna put my toner on. I use the Holy Hydration Keep Balanced Toner by e.l.f. Skincare. It has hyaluronic acid, witch hazel, and aloe. It's not bad. I use it for day and night, so it's not bad. It really isn't. It really is not bad. But the only thing about it is that it dries very quickly, so quick, and you have to go in with your next product immediately, because then I feel it just dries, and it doesn't dry. And I can tell you, I think it's the witch hazel. My face doesn't feel hydrated when it dries. So yeah. So I'm going in with my next product, which is my serum. Right now I'm using the Ordinary Matrixyl 10% plus AHA, a high strength peptide formulation. There we go. I completely love this thing. I'm telling you, it's I don't use it at nighttime. I feel like this and my retinol don't combine very well, and I feel it's probably the AHA that's in it. So it's literally a little dropper. It's clear as it's super clear, gel type, and I just put that all over my skin. So I do pat a little bit of the leftover under my eye, because your girl's getting older. I'm 30 and technically I have mature skin now. Yeah, it's horrible. But I just pat that in like so, and I let it sit on my skin for like a couple of, like I would say for a couple of minutes. And anyway, my next serum is the COSRX Vitamin C 23 Serum. Chef's kiss, girl. Chef's kiss. It's a super vitamin E with hyaluronic acid and improves skin condition and even skin tone. And you've seen this if you follow me on social media. You've seen this on my social media. It is. It smells like a fish oil. Like it smells like fish oil. Literally does. But it's an oil-based consistency. Is it the best smelling? No, it literally smells like fish oil and vitamins. But it does wonders for my skin. I don't know why. It does, because it's a little bit more on the oily side. It does make me break out in my oily area, which this is also a sticky type when it dries down. Yeah, it's a sticky type when it dries down. I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit. And while we're sitting here, so right now I don't have an eye cream, so I'm using my moisturizer as my eye cream, which you can do. You don't have to get specifically an eye cream. Depending on your moisturizer, they're pretty, like, especially since mine's like a cream moisturizer, they're pretty good for the eye area. My moisturizer, which is the Lime Life Green Smoothie Moisturizer, it's my anti-aging face cream, and I completely fucking love it. The ingredients are amazing. It does have alfalfa and celery. It's why it's called the green smoothie, but it's so rich in vitamins, antioxidants. I put everybody in my house on this. So my clients, I always give them samples of it, and they always come back asking me where to order it, which you can order it through me. I always I always leave my links down below. It is a type of like a link or affiliation, so I do get a small commission when you order, but I'm telling you, so worth it. I love it. It's thick, it's rich, and I'm like obsessed with it. But I would tell you, if you are deeply oily, acne prone, you might want to stay away from this, because it's a heavy cream. It's a very heavy cream. I use it night and day, because again, like I said, I am getting older and my acne is starting to slowly go down. But chef's kiss. So I can tell that it's already like semi-drying. It's not as sticky. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pump more out. Oh, and by the way, it's refillable packaging, biodegradable, and recyclable. So just saying. So I usually start with my forehead. Every single time that I do my AM skincare routine, I start with my forehead. I give it a little bit of love, make sure that I get all the product in where it's supposed to be. Hi, Chuchi. Hi, Chuchi. Hi, Chuchi. My doggies are probably over being in the room with me, but we're almost done. I'm almost out, so you have to like pat it, and it's like one of those like vacuum ones too. So I'm like, ah. We're almost done, my children. So it smells so good. Hi. My niece is outside the door. That's why they're so like, they're itching to get out. Even when it's AM or PM, it doesn't matter. Every single time that I finish my skincare, I always go with the lip oil. Always go in with the lip oil. I go in with the Ulta juiced infused lip oil, and my hands are full of lotion. There we go. Even if I am doing makeup like right after this, perfect. I put this on. It's literally my favorite fucking lip oil, next to the Jaclyn Hill lip oil and the NYX. So good. So good. Now, depending on what I'm doing, if I'm doing makeup after, I use my Hero Force Shield Sunbeam Sunscreen. It's a broad spectrum, but I'm so sorry. I'm all over the place. It does deliver sheer glow with like pearls and apricot like pigments, so it's orange. And I've not right now, these are not always the same sunscreens that I use. I am trying different ones, so I feel that even being a skin influencer, trying new products all the time really messes with your skin, but with sunscreens a little bit different. I can definitely play around with sunscreens, especially depending with the type of lifestyle that I'm going on. So I usually always have maybe 2 sunscreens at a time open. So if I was going to the gym, going on a run, going on a WALK with my dogs, I use a non-pearly, one that's gonna look good, like one that's gonna like infuse my makeup and make it look really nice. I don't use one. I use like a sports one. So this is the Juice Beauty Organic Solutions SPF sunscreen. It's a sports sunscreen and good SPF and everything. It's just that it leaves a white cast and it smells herbally, like what you think like my green smoothie moisturizer should smell like. That's what it smells like. Super herbally, and it's thick and it leaves your skin matte but sticky. You know what I mean? So, but I am going outside right now. The sun's still out. Look at that. The sun's still out. And I'm gonna... Mama! She really wants to go outside. This, you see the, yeah, I feel like my mom, when we were growing up, we used to like put sunscreen on, and it's like super thick and like sticky. It literally smells like a vitamin herbally apple cider. Can I put some sunscreen on you? Ma'am, you're scratching me and I don't like it. Put another layer on. I also put it on my eyes, but believe it or not, a lot of people's eyes do burn. I know, I'm super rough around my eyes, and I shouldn't be. I really shouldn't. I should be a lot nicer. That's the only thing I can tell you, that it does dry down very quickly if you're not fast. It does dry down like real quick, and it's super sticky and everything. But alright, this is my AM skincare routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know that I'm getting back into filming and into the rhythm of things, so give me a moment. I told you I'm rebranding. I'm gonna try to upload as much as I can, because hopefully like every 2 weeks I can upload a video of some kind, either like a photography video or a skincare video or a makeup video, whichever one. But I'm going to be really busy, not only with work but also school, which will... This is your mature 30-year-old AM skincare. So do not forget, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you're notified every single time that I upload a video. Hit the like button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.